everyone, today I'm going to be talking about one of the questions I get asked most, which is how to clean your jewelry. Cleaning your jewelry will ensure its beauty and longevity. Good news is that the safest cleaning methods are also the easiest, so I'm going to talk about 2 ways you can do this. Let's get started. First and foremost, if you're engaged or married, congratulations. You'll probably be wearing your diamond ring on a daily basis, and believe it or not, it should be cleaned about every 1 to 2 weeks. Don't worry, this is very easy to do. At home, I use an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. You can find these on Amazon. They pack a mean punch of about 42,000 hertz of ultrasonic energy waves that create millions of microscopic cleansing bubbles that gently lift dirt without using harsh chemicals or scrubbing. I usually pour boiling hot water into it, and I leave the jewelry in here for about 5 minutes. Sometimes I'll mix in a tablespoon of jewelry cleaning solution, but when it's done, I'll take the jewelry out and I rinse it under warm water. Although I have an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner at home, sometimes what I simply use is just good old baby shampoo and a soft bristle toothbrush. What I'll do is pour warm water into a dish like this, and then I'll mix in a few drops of the baby shampoo. After I'm done brushing, I'll rinse the ring under warm water. And then I lay it on a towel to dry. Sterling silver jewelry naturally tarnishes, especially when exposed to salty air. For high polished silver jewelry, I just recommend using a microfiber cleaning cloth, something like this, to wipe and polish your jewelry. Lastly, if you have any type of plated jewelry, gold-filled or vermeil, it's not advised to use any dip-style cleaning products or to polish or rub because it can cause the plating to wear off. So if you would like to replate your jewelry, send me an email to info@varduicara.com, attach a photo of your plated jewelry item to receive a quote, and I can take care of that for you. So thank you so much for watching my video.